What's going on, guys? Geneva 9 back at you again today. For those that are asking, my real name is actually Genesis, Genesis. You know, just like the band, the Bible, the video game console.
And so it was, he brought forth Genesis, a system with twice the power.
Anyways, guys, check it out. I just dropped my new merch, my new hoodie, Evolve brand. Check it out. I can't really picture the back, but check it out on my website, genevo9.com. Very comfortable, super nice, guys. I really took the time to design this. You guys get the chance, support your boy. Go check out the link down below. Thank you guys for your continued support. Now let's get the show started. This is something I've been debating for a very long time now, whether I should do it or not. And I finally bit the bullet, and I'm finally gonna do it. And today I'm gonna be installing a quick release bumper for my front bumper. So the quick release, thank you, John from JD Customs USA. He's the one who provided this quick release bumper for me. If you guys like this product, check out the link down below. John makes amazing stuff. He makes cop kit systems. He makes all sorts of titanium goodies for you guys. And yeah, he's just a really cool dude, and he was kind enough to send me this quick release system for my Evo 9. I want to give a quick shout out to Innovation USA. I'll leave his YouTube channel down below, but he did the similar mod. He also installed the JD Customs USA quick release bumper kit, and I'll leave this link down below. Thank you, bro, for inspiring me to also do a video like this, and thank you for helping me out on how to properly install this too. So hit up his channel down below. I know I've asked you guys before on whether I should do this quick release bumper upgrade install, and I got a few answers like, yeah, you should go do it. No, you shouldn't do it. It's gonna ruin the clean look of the Evo. I finally came to senses, guys, and I have to do it because I just take my bumper, take it off a lot. By the looks of it, it doesn't look complicated on how to install. As you can see, I already have the front bumper off. It's totally up to you. You can either unbolt one side and work on that one at a time, or you can just take the whole thing off and just do it all at once. My suggestion, I think that taking the whole bumper off will just be beneficial and a lot easier for you to work on. So here's the kit. As you can tell, these are colored white. If you head on to JD Customs USA and you look at the quick release bumper, they have a lot of different colors that you can choose from. The one I chose is the carbon fiber type. Again, you might think these are flimsy, but they're not. They are actually super strong, guys, and it takes a lot of effort to even chip one of these. Now that I show you the parts, I want to show you guys in real time on how long it actually takes me to take off my bumper. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna reinstall this front bumper for you guys and time myself on how much time I actually spend taking off this bumper without the quick release. Let's start it up.
Set, go!
We're at around 6 minutes. 6 minutes, guys, to take off this front bumper. Taking this on and off, if you've seen my past videos, it does take a beating. Both sides of my bumper, where it actually connects, has actually cracked. The other side cracked as well. Those are the things that finally made me decide that I'm going with the quick release bumper. So take your 10mm and unbolt these two, just like that. Before we install the mounting bracket, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take one of the ball connectors right here. You're gonna install it onto the bracket. You're gonna orientate like this, so you're gonna put it on through here. Just like that. And again, we can adjust this ball connector later on. Let's get it on here. So it's gonna go on like this. You can use the old hardware that you have, but why use that when John already provides you with these beautiful anodized titaniums hardware where you can just put on right here. So again, you're gonna be using a size 4 Allen wrench. And again, I left this loose because we're gonna be adjusting this front and back later on to be able to mark where it's gonna hit on the bumper. So now you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. I took off the wheel because it's a lot easier for me to get on the back side, because I'm gonna be, well, I need to get, if you take out the mud flaps right here, I need to get in the inside over there so that I can mark the points on where this ball is gonna be touching against the bumper, which I'll show you later what I'm trying to do right now. You don't need to do this. I'm just doing this because I want to mark it accurately and I want to do it right the first time. Once you drill that front bumper, that's it. Again, measure twice, cut once. Wise words from John himself. I use some bungee cords right here to hold back the splash guard. So now that I got the bumper on, make sure that everything is properly aligned. So right here, if you look, all the lines are aligned, and same thing goes for the other side. So as you can see, everything is aligned. You're gonna get any paint pen. I prefer white so you can easily see it. So here's the outside of the bumper, and if you look on the inside, wherever that ball of the pin is touching to the bumper right here, that's where you're gonna put a paint pen. Mark with a paint pen all around the ball. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. And now look, you can see where the ball hits the bumper right there, where there's no paint, that's where it was hitting. Same thing on the other side. Let's check it out. And that's where you're gonna be drilling at. This is pretty much the moment of truth, guys. Now we know the center of where we're gonna start drilling. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a tiny little drill bit right here to start a pilot hole. So now I'm gonna be using an 11/16 spade bit right here because it's the closest one of a diameter that comes close to the quick release button right here. There it is. There's the hole. There you go. Got the hole drilled out. Came across a little bit of a problem. The 11/16 is a little bit small, so I would suggest you go one step a little bit higher than this size and re-drill the hole, or just relieve a little bit more so that you can push this button right through. Check out the other side. Flushed with the body. You're gonna take your locking nut right here and then just re-screw it and tighten this button. And voila, that's pretty much it, guys. Now we're gonna put back the bumper and let's see how the fit looks like and how easily we can put this back on. So guys, we have it all installed. Now let's look at how the fit is. So you know that it's properly engaged when the button is leveled out with the inner circle. So it looks like it evened out pretty well. Now let's check out the other side. There you have it, guys. This is what it looks like on the other side. As you can see, it is flushed. Quick and easy, guys. But overall, guys, let's see how fast we can take off this bumper in comparison with the old way.
Set, go!
So guys, it took 21 seconds to take off that bumper, and that's not having the top bolts installed, so that's just those two quick buttons released. 21 seconds, guys, compared to what it was before, which was around, I think, 5 to 6 minutes, which cut down my time. So wow, that's a big difference. So, highly recommend this product. Highly recommend you guys get it. I was on the verge of, you know, not getting it before, but yeah. So now let's time how long it takes to put on the bumper.
Set,
and
go.
Let's start the timer. There you have it. Took 40 seconds to put back the front bumper, not including the top bolts, but just the two sides. 40 seconds, guys. That is quick. Big shout out again to JD Customs USA for providing me with this quick release bumper kit. Super awesome. Head down to his website, John's website. I'll leave the link down below on the description, and you guys can cop one of these things. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think of this quick and easy mod. This mod is great when you guys are going to the track and you guys need to get access to your front mount intercooler or whatever it is on the front. It's just a super and convenient way to get and take in and out your front bumper. So now that on my future videos, you're not gonna see me struggle and take like 6 minutes of my time trying to take my front bumper off. Again, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. If you liked this quick easy mod install video, hit that like button down below to support your boy. Please hit that subscribe button down below so you can always be in tune with what's coming up with my Evo build. I have a lot of parts coming in, and once again, guys, and I want you guys to be all up to speed of what's coming up with my Evo. So stay tuned for that, guys. And once again, guys, don't forget to hit up my website, genevo9.com. I got new hoodies that just came out. Thank you so much for tuning in. You guys have a good and great new year, and I'll see you in 2020. All right, guys.
Ready,
see you next time.
set, go!